Justice V Srishananda, judge of the Karnataka High Court, who made objectionable remarks during court hearings, expressed regret and said they were unintentional and not to hurt any individual or section of the society. As the proceedings began, the judge read out a statement in this regard in the open court in the presence of some of the office bearers of the Advocates Association Bengaluru (AAB) and others. The judge said that the observations made during judicial proceedings were reported out of context on social media platforms. AAB President Vivek Subba Reddy said that the judge's judgments were excellent, but his side comments had caused trouble to the judge as well as to the lawyers. The senior advocate who was present in the court said the judge expressed that he would not make any such comments in future. As regards the objectionable remark made to a women advocate, the judge is said to have clarified that it was not intended towards her but to her client. The Supreme Court on Friday took motu cognizance of the video clips containing the controversial comments made by Justice Srishananda. A five-judge bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Sanjeev Khanna, B.R. Gawai, Surya Kant and Rishikesh Roy passed an order seeking a report from the Karnataka High Court. Recently, two video clips of Justice V Srishananda of the High Court surfaced on social media in which he was seen making objectionable remarks. In one video, he was seen referring to an area in Bengaluru as Pakistan. In another video, he was seen making objectionable remarks to a women advocate. The court has directed the Registrar General of the High Court to submit a report to the Supreme Court after seeking administrative directions from the Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court. The matter will be next heard on September 25. Several social media users, including prominent lawyers, criticized the High Court judge for his remarks, which were live streamed. This report is sourced from Live Law.